Ever thought about switching from coding to being a Scrum Master? Let's talk about how you can do it. A Scrum Master helps a team work well together and solves problems. It's all about teamwork and making things go smoothly. To be a good Scrum Master, you need to lead well and talk to everyone. You also need to be organized and handle many things at once. Let's explore the essential steps in making this transition. Assessing your skills and experience. Before you jump, take stock of your existing skills and experience. Don't worry if you haven't worn the Scrum Master hat before. Many transferable skills can set you on the right path. Think team leadership, project management, and the ability to navigate diverse personalities. Remember, your tech chops are valuable, but communication and people skills are your secret weapons. You'll need to connect with everyone, from C-suite to entry level, to truly inspire and motivate your team. Getting certified. Boost your confidence and showcase your knowledge with a Scrum Master certification. Organizations like Scrum Alliance and PMI offer excellent training programs that culminate in certification exams. While not mandatory, certification can be a game changer, opening doors and validating your commitment to the role. Once you've assessed your skills, gained experience, and gotten certified, it's time to start making the transition to a Scrum Master role. Here are some tips to help you make the transition as smooth as possible. Seek mentorship. Find a seasoned Scrum Master to guide you, answer questions, and share their wisdom. Start small. Don't try to tackle Everest on day one. Begin with smaller responsibilities, like facilitating a sprint review or retrospective. Embrace the Agile mindset. Understand and champion the Agile principles that fuel the Scrum process. Communication is key. Hone your communication skills. Active listening, clarifying questions, and clear explanations are your friends. Be patient. This is a journey, not a destination. Give yourself time to learn, grow, and master the role. Never stop learning. The Agile world is dynamic, so stay updated with its latest trends and best practices. So, programmers, the journey from code to coaching is achievable with the right tools and mindset. Assess your skills, gain knowledge, and take those first steps. Remember, with dedication and a love for learning, you can become a Scrum Master who empowers teams and shapes the future of software development.